Hey guys, welcome back to Terry of All Trades. Today I'm going to share one of my mass protein with you guys. I'm going to let you guys know how it works, the best way how to use a mass protein. So this right here is up your mass. And if you look right here guys, gain 16 pounds in just 5 weeks. So, what do you guys think about that? Gain 16 pounds in just 5 weeks. Well, I know a lot of people are like, that's BS. That's not possible. I used mass protein before. It didn't work. Alright, listen guys. For all you hard gainers out there, which is like myself, but I had a couple mass protein in the past before. Not a big fan of most of the mass. Most of the mass, if you guys know and you guys tried it before, most of the mass protein, they're like rich, thick. It's too thick you can't even drink it. You drink it and then you bloat. You bloated for the whole day. You're bloated. You know, you're like walking around feeling like fat. You're feeling slow. You're feeling. You know what I mean, guys. So this is not your average mass protein, guys. This protein right here is really nice. It mixes fast. It digests faster. This right here, guys, I'm basing you on what I use, what I experience, and how it worked for me. So, can you really gain 16 pounds in just 5 weeks? Is this possible? Yes, it is possible. But you, like a lot of people, when they use a mass protein, a lot of people think that you gotta skip a meal or it's a meal replacer. First of all, mass protein is not a meal replacer if you're gonna try to bulk up. No, you drink this between your meal. And this right here, guys, let me just break this down to you guys real quick right now. So this right here, you could mix it with milk or water. I recommend to you guys milk, because if you do with milk, you're gonna get about 810 calories to 4 scoops, and then you're gonna get you gain about 62 grams of protein with milk. Without milk, it's just 46 grams of protein. Science is whole milk, guys. 62 grams of protein, 23 grams of sugar. It's not that bad. And you got about 82 grams of carbs, which is good for mass, guys. And it's 4 scoops twice a day, though. That's the only thing. The scoops are not big, they're small. So like what I did, I hit I'll have my breakfast, and then after an hour after my breakfast, hour and a half, I took 4 scoops of this right here. And you know, I didn't drop a meal. I didn't drop any of my meal. It was stuffed though. But I was still putting down 6 meals a day, you know, smaller meal. So I definitely see my weight went up after just using 1 container, guys. You need about 2 to 3 containers, maybe 2 containers with your eating high calories and good enough protein, and then add this protein. And then, guys, don't forget, after you finish the gym, you finish the workout, you still need your regular isolate protein, guys. And if you guys see one of my previous videos, I did one of the fastest observing protein, one of the fastest proteins. So you guys are gonna leave the link below, and I'm gonna put it in my end screen that you guys could see the fastest, one of the fastest protein to build muscle, guys. It's no joke. Hydrolyzed and it's guaranteed fast observing protein, guys. Check that video out. And this right here, guys, you have a lot of amino, a lot of protein, and a lot of carbs and calories to pack on that 16 pounds of mass. But don't forget, guys, you can't skip a meal. You can't just use it as a meal replacer, guys. You can't. Alright, guys, so give it a shot. You know, let me know how it goes, guys. And, you know, just keep doing it, guys. You know, 4 scoops in the morning. Take about 4 scoops in the afternoon. You know, I would say an hour and a half to 2 hours before your dinner, so you're not skipping dinner, so you're still on your dinner, guys. If you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button, guys, and give a thumbs up, guys. You like my video?